Welcome to Computer Systems. In this video, we will detail your first circuit. In this video, we will describe what is a circuit, how do I make an LED emit light, and how do I make an LED blink. A circuit is a complete connection from power through components to ground. Right now, our component is missing. We're going to use an LED here. The LED has two sides to it. One of them is longer than the other. The longer side goes towards power. The shorter side goes towards ground. We also need, anytime we're working with an LED, a resistor. We've been provided with 330 ohm resistors that will work with this LED. So we're going to put in the longer side towards power, shorter side towards ground, but specifically connected directly to the resistor. The resistor should look like this. May or may not have the same colors on it, depending on which version you were provided with. So assuming that all of your connections are secure, when we turn on the breadboard, the LED lights up. Next, we're going to remove the connection to power and instead connect the input to the LED to the function generator. We want to make sure that the function generator is on the square wave. Frequency is up at 1. The hertz is at the bottom rather than on kilohertz. And that our sliding switch that goes from 1 to 100 is at the 1 side. Amperage can be all the way up, that is fine. So at this point, what we should see is that the LED oscillates between on and off. And the higher the number on our switch, the more often it blinks.